Okay, let's pretend you have a new CPU. You order online, something like that. You go to a store. You have to do. Let's pretend this is a new one. Put it back in right there. Just kind of little wire. I mean, lever, something like that. Push it down like that. Snap, 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 snap. Your fan or your heat sink right here. Okay, heat sink, heat sink, heat sink. Go over here, a heat sink. Like that. I'm using my one hand. Okay. Alright. And snap the wire in. Over here. Jesus Christ. Let's go. Okay, oh, let's say you forget your wiring, color coding. All you have to do is to go back your diagram. Black go to the left, blue goes to the right. Okay, black go to the left. Alright, over here, black go to the left. Snap. Yep, snap. Then over here. And that's it. You just have to put a screw back there. That's about it.